Smart Sound. Smart Sound. Smart Sound. Smart
I
Sound.
request them to please join us here and settle down so that we can start the show. Let's have a huge round of applause.
Smart Sound.
Very, very warm welcome. Hi.
Smart Sound.
Well, the ladies are looking absolutely gorgeous. And ladies and gentlemen, we're going to again call our guests back on stage for the photo op. For now, I request our
Smart
guests to
Sound.
please settle down so that we can start the show. तो दोस्तों इससे पहले कि हम आज के इस प्रोग्राम
Smart Sound.
invite person who needs no introduction, the one and only Ekta Kapoor.
Smart Sound.
And let me tell you people, Ekta has something very, very special to share with us. So let's see what's there in store for us.
Hello. So it's one more offering from Balaji. And before anyone has a voice blog that's another Balaji show, it is another Balaji show. And this is probably a bit radical, but for even me, to actually do a show on something so current as the animosity between religions and animosities between the two countries. Although it's really in the talk now, this show was planned almost 6 months ago and was supposed to start on the 15th of August and end on the 26th of Jan. It was meant to be a event-based show, and the show is about to reveal its biggest secret. That's why the press conference is happening almost 2 weeks after the show has launched. Television has always been criticized, especially me, I don't know why, for being slightly diluted, homogeneous, and definitely not path-breaking or discussing issues because, you know, it gets uncomfortable. And unfortunately, we're so scared of getting uncomfortable. We're so happy being in the safe zone as far as TV goes that no channel or no production house takes a risk to talk about issues that exist in our society and probably give a chance to society to reflect, even though we know TV has been a soft ambassador. There was a time when Kyunki Saas Bhi Kabhi Bahu Thi was probably the most popular show in Afghanistan. It started culture changes, thought processes in change. I mean, a lot of the Boston research that was carried out 5 years ago said women actually took a strong viewpoint at home after seeing the ladies in TV shows. So we've pushed the envelope slowly, and this is a very, very big attempt. Rarely does a channel come forward and take on such a radical show and take on such a radical thought where a woman discovers after probably falling in love with a man she married. Most marriages happen arranged. She's also got into an arranged marriage after a tragedy befell on her, and discovers that the man is an undercover agent from a neighboring country. Unfortunately, we have to take something so radical and so shocking to then actually discover that actually beyond everything else, what ticks in all of us is love. It's absolutely amazing working with Iqbal. I mean, we haven't worked with each other for I think 10 years now, but it's great to have him back. He lights up the screen. He's definitely very good looking and probably makes every scene look amazingly delicious. And Mona, of course, has been a friend. She's worked with me a couple of years ago, and I think when I had this show, I was definite that I wanted to cast a very good actor, because to have these layers, to actually love and hate someone, to discover another side of a person you've probably lived with for 3 or 4 years, and to then have your patriotism being questioned with your love for the man, I thought she would manage doing that very well, and I'm so honored to be working with her again. Thank you so much. I hope you all enjoy the various layers that keep unraveling on this show, which starts off looking like a happy, warm family drama, but then questions the very basis that we live in. We're so comfortable celebrating Diwali, Eid with each other, but when it comes to real issues like having a different religion stay in buildings or probably marrying intercaste, we actually show the real color of our thought processes. Thank you so much. I hope people enjoy this show.
Thank you very much, Ekta. And I would now request you all for the photo op. We can now have the photo op.
कि आज के समाज के आईने से कितना रिलेवेंस मानती हैं इस सीरियल को आप? जी जी
मैंने हमेशा ये सोचा एज एन एक्टर वन शुड डू डिफरेंट थिंग्स और मेरे लिए एज एन एक्टर कुछ चैलेंजिंग व्हाट अच्छा आई थॉट आई सेड समथिंग रॉन्ग यू गाइस स्कैर्ड मी एज एन एक्टर मुझे मेरे ऐसा लगता है कि जर्नी बहुत चैलेंजिंग होनी चाहिए, रोल्स चैलेंजिंग होने चाहिए. ऑफ कोर्स ये कैरेक्टर है जो हम प्ले कर रहे हैं, बट समवन हैज़ टू टेक द रिस्क, समवन हैज़ टू प्रोड्यूस अ शो लाइक दैट एंड सम एक्टर हैज़ टू डू इट. क्योंकि ये ऐसे सेंसिटिव इश्यूज हैं जिनके बारे में जब तक हम बात नहीं करेंगे लोगों के दिमाग में हमेशा डाउट ही रहेगा. बहुत ही प्यार से, बहुत ही अच्छे से ये इशू को हमने शो में दिखाया है. मेरे बहुत ही अच्छे डायलॉग्स रहे हैं कि कौम से कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, आई लव देम, सब हिंदुस्तानी हैं, आई लव देम ऑल. तो अभी रिश्ते की भी बात हुई है हमारे शो में बिटवीन हिंदू एंड मुस्लिम. इट्स अ ब्यूटिफुल शो. इट इज़ टू लव एवरीबडी, टू लव ऑल रिलीजन्स. द शो इज़ प्यार को हो जाने दो, विच मीन्स लेट लव हैपन विद ह्यूमन बींग्स, विद ऑल रिलेशनशिप एंड विद एवरी रिलीजन. तो मैं बहुत खुश हूँ इस शो से.
इकबाल, आप अपने एक्सपीरियंस के बारे में बताएं, कैसा रहा और कितना इंटेंस है ये किरदार आपका?
देखिए, बालाजी अगर ऐसा कुछ शो कर रहा है तो इसका मतलब कि अभी वो वक्त आ गया है कि ऐसी चीज़ें टीवी पे आ जानी चाहिए, कि चेंज आ चुका है. क्योंकि वो टाइम ख़त्म हो गया जब किचन पॉलिटिक्स पे खेला जाता था पूरा सीरियल, और अभी सास ये कर रही है, बहू ये कर रही है, वो ऐसा कुछ नहीं है इसमें. इसमें आपको वैसा कुछ नहीं मिलेगा. मेरे लिए पर्सनली टेलीविज़न एक्टर्स जो लड़के होते हैं उनको यूजुअली बहुत कुछ करने को होता नहीं है शोज़ में. तो मेरे लिए ये बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट शो है, क्योंकि ऐसा मैंने कभी टेलीविज़न में कभी किया नहीं है और ना ही टेलीविज़न पे ऐसा कुछ पहले दिखाया गया है. तो मैं आई एम रियली हैप्पी.
अच्छा, इसमें कुछ पास्ट भी दिखाया जाएगा शादी के पहले का, या सिर्फ शादी के बाद की सारी चीज़ें दिखाई जाएंगी?
ऑफ कोर्स दोनों, शादी से पहले और शादी के बाद, बट प्राइमरली शादी के बाद का.
Good afternoon. This is for Mona.
Hello.
It's a story based on real life.
No, it's a fictional story.
Acha.
It's a story.
Okay. And what made you to do this role?
For the love of the show, for the love of the story, for the love of the character that I'm playing, Preet. She's every there. She's the good Samaritan. She is taking care of the family. She's the backbone of the family. She's very caring. She's witty. She's funny. She's today's age woman. She addresses her husband as, "Hey hero, kahan ja raha hai?" There's no "aap kahan ja rahe ho? Aapne khana khaya." There's nothing of that sort happening. There's no backstabbing in the kitchen. There's no putting extra salt in the dal. There's no fighting with the mother-in-law. The way we love our family, that is the show that is all about. And hence I'm doing it.
And what will the social message of this show?
Let love happen and let love be your religion.
Thank you.
Iqbal, hi, Naveen from Rajshri. I wanted to know कि how is it feeling you playing a spy का character and कितना research करना पड़ा आपको because TV पे मुझे जहाँ तक पता है spy का character किसी actor ने play नहीं किया है.
मेरा पहली एक्साइटमेंट तो यही थी कि ऐसा कुछ करने को पहले मिला नहीं, तो ये पहली बार कर रहा हूँ टीवी पे, तो वो सबसे ज़्यादा इम्पोर्टेंट था मेरे लिए. हाँ, हम बहुत सारी फिल्में देखते हैं. मैं सुबह उठ के सिर्फ बॉम्बे टाइम्स या HT नहीं पढ़ता, मैं मेन न्यूज़पेपर भी पढ़ता हूँ. मुझे न्यूज़ देखने में मज़ा आता है. घर में भी कभी कभी लोग परेशान हो जाते हैं, कभी मैं NDTV 24/7 कुछ, मतलब मेरा न्यूज़ इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर यू टू बी update with whatever is happening in the world. So, as general knowledge about how things are, so थोड़ा बहुत वो spy कैसा होता है, कैसा होना चाहिए, क्या होता है, उसको टीवी के दायरे में रखते हुए वो थोड़ा बहुत उस पर काम किया गया है. तो I hope आप सब लोगों को पसंद आए.
Hi Iqbal, Sana from telechakkar.com. Here.
ऐसा ना.
Iqbal, you spoke about preparing for the role of a spy. In personal life, you also have an interreligion marriage.
Yes.
So how much of that input went in your relationship with the character of Ishan and Preet?
Well, I'm not a spy. My character is. I'm sorry. See, basically, it is when two people get married, it is much beyond religion. It is for their love for each other. That is primarily the basic feeling, okay? And that is what happens everywhere. It's just a thought process at the block that we have in our heads that यार हमारे cultures अलग हैं, हम different त्योहार मनाते हैं, घर में cultures अलग होते हैं, वो कैसे settle हो पाएंगे? ये बड़ी छोटी और बकवास चीज़ें होती हैं. क्योंकि हर रिलीजन में अच्छी चीज़ें होती हैं, हर कल्चर में अच्छी चीज़ें होती हैं. ऐसा तो कुछ है नहीं कि भैया ये इस रिलीजन में हस्बैंड को रोज़ शराब पी के आना होता है और अपनी बीवी को मारना होता है. ऐसा तो होता नहीं ना किसी में. तो हर रिलीजन में अच्छी चीज़ें होती हैं. और बेसिकली आप जब ये दो चीज़ें आप कंपेयर करते हैं तो एवरीथिंग जस्ट सेटल्स डाउन फॉर गुड. एंड जहाँ तक शो का सवाल है, मैं ईशान जैसा हूँ जो जिससे फैमिली की कद्र है, फैमिली की रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी को जो अच्छी तरह निभाता है, अपनी वाइफ से प्यार करता है होपफुली. और रिजवान जैसा नहीं हूँ, रिजवान जैसा बिल्कुल नहीं हूँ. रिजवान के अपने कुछ डीमंस हैं उसके अंदर, जो वो कैसे आए उसके साथ, वो कैसे उनमें वो घुसा, वो उसके लिए आपको शो देखना पड़ेगा. लेकिन उसकी भी अपनी प्रॉब्लम्स हैं, क्योंकि कोई भी पैदा कोई गलत इंसान कोई गलती करने के लिए होता नहीं है. सो या दैट्स इट.
Thank you.
My
I
name
think
is
we
Kiran
now,
from Dainik
that was-
Bhaskar, and my question is to both of you.
That
Can you
was the
both-
last question okay, this is the last question that we'll take.
Can you
Thank
both little bit elaborate on what will be the content of the show? Because I've understood little ki Hindu Muslim ka hai and all, but you're playing a spy. So what will be the main focus of the show? What will be your role as a spy, and what about you? Like,
See, on Indian television, it's very important to have everything revolving around a family. Because primarily television is watched by people who love watching all this. You can't suddenly give a town which completely eats dal chawal, suddenly give them some weird dish which is an acquired taste. You know? So keeping that in mind, things have been kept very nicely. Yeah.
And Mona, how do you support a spy? I mean, not as a husband, but then how do you support Rizwan in his career?
Right now, Preet has no idea about her husband's identity. She's completely in love with Ishan. Preet loves the family, loves her husband. In fact, she's feeling super guilty about the fact that she doubted her husband for an extramarital affair. So she's going through that guilt. And we just shot that scene where she's crying and apologizing about the fact, but he's going through his guilt because he knows what he's doing to me, but Preet doesn't know that at all. So I'm sure as we go along and the revelations happen, it'll be her journey, who to support, who to go in for, whether the husband or the country or for the love of the family. That all will be obviously revealed much later. But right now, I'm enjoying my journey of being the happy, innocent wife.
Thank you very much,
Thank you.
friends. And thank you, Mona and Iqbal. We're now going to proceed for one-on-one interactions. So the floor is open for you guys. Thank you.
Pakistani Indian combination coming because of Bajrangi Bhaijaan, because honestly I started writing this in March. If you see my contract, I was contracted in March. I didn't reach the telecast in 15th of August because there was a Shukra Bakri, so I didn't want to launch anything. I didn't launch anything actually at that time. So I told the channel that I'll push it, but I was contracted in March and I started like writing it in somewhere in April. But Rangi came only in I think this month. But when I saw it, I was very happy. I was like, thank God, someone else is also thinking like me.
So you are also known to be very spiritual and religious. So how is this coming that love means no religion?
But I don't think religion or spirituality means that I hate anyone else. I am very clear that I'm multi-religional. If that's got the regional, sorry, or religional, whatever I can call it. Because
why you have chosen Ritvik for this particular series?
there's no Ritvik. There's no Ritvik.
So the Mehndi also proves that Karwa
No,
Chauth is
as I said,
celebration.
I am not answering any personal questions. The Mehndi was put and I'm going now. Thank you.